Welcome to PropertyAce.org, redefining real estate with a dash of spark. Your insider look at unconventional real estate tips and game-changing investment strategies. Embrace innovation while conquering home buying, gliding through rental management, and dancing through interior design trends. Add a splash of creativity with house renovation and DIY home improvement ideas. Stay ahead with the latest market trends and rock your journey with our first-time homebuyer tips. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And let's make property your dynamic canvas.
Moving to Gambia, or any other country, is a significant life decision that requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some of the main points to consider before making your decision to move to Gambia. Do your research. It's surprising how many people decide to move to another country without even doing the most basic research, then wonder why they feel disappointed with their move. And in extreme cases leave, feeling frustrated and disappointed. Understand Gambia's culture, language. Gambians are multilinguistic. Mandinka, spoken by the Mandinka people, it is the most widely spoken language in Gambia. Wolof is spoken in urban areas, and is also widespread in Senegal. Fula, also known as Fulani or Pula, is spoken by the Fula people. This language has several dialects and is spoken across West Africa. Sera, spoken by the Sera people, which is smaller in Gambia, but still has a significant presence. Jola, also known as Daila, is spoken by the Jola community, primarily in the southern area. English is also spoken, so brush up on your language skills. Climate and lifestyle. Learn about the cost of living, healthcare system, safety and legal system. To visit Gambia. It is vitally important you take a trip to Gambia at least once before making such a life-changing decision. This will give you first-hand experience of the country's culture, climate, and lifestyle. It's also an opportunity to explore different areas and decide where you might want to live. Or 3. Evaluate employment and business opportunities. If you are moving for work, research employment opportunities, or if you plan to start a business, understand the local market and business regulations. Consider the economic stability and job market in your field of expertise. 4. It's very important to understand visa and residency requirements. Check and double-check, just to make sure you have all your documents in order. Research the visa requirements for your nationality. Depending on your purpose for moving, for example, employment, retirement, investment, there may be different types of visas or permits required. 5. Consider housing and living arrangements. Look into housing options, whether renting or buying. Understand the real estate market, the process of acquiring property, and the cost of living in different areas. 6. Healthcare. Investigate the healthcare system in the Gambia. Look into both public and private healthcare services. Consider obtaining international health insurance if local healthcare does not meet your needs. 7. Financial planning. Consider the cost of moving and living in the Gambia. Plan your finances, including savings, budgeting for daily living expenses, and understanding the tax system. Consider the exchange rate and banking services. 8. Education system. If you have children, research the education system and schools in the Gambia. Consider the availability of international schools if you prefer education in a language other than English. 9. Social and support networks. Look into expatriate communities and social networks in the Gambia. These can provide support and advice as you adjust to your new environment. 10. Legal and regulatory matters. Understand your rights and responsibilities as a foreign resident in the Gambia. This includes laws related to foreign residents, property ownership, and any restrictions that may apply. 11. Plan for cultural adjustment. Be prepared for cultural differences and consider how you will adapt to a new cultural environment. Learn about social norms, traditions, and everyday life in the Gambia. Gambia, a vibrant mosaic of cultures and ethnicities, boasts a cultural heritage as rich and diverse as its landscape. This West African gem is a melting pot of traditions, each reflecting the depth of its historical roots and the values that bind its society. Let's dive into the heart of Gambia's cultural tapestry and explore some of its quintessential norms and traditions that make this country uniquely captivating. Elders, the pillars of wisdom in Gambia. Age is more than just a number, it's a badge of honor. Elders are the revered custodians of wisdom, guiding families and communities with their insights and experience. Paying homage to them is not just expected, it's a way of life. The art of greeting. Ever wonder how to turn a simple hello into a meaningful conversation? In Gambia, greetings are an elaborate symphony of inquiries about health, family, and well-being, accompanied by warm handshakes that welcome you into the fold. Hospitality, Gambian open door policy. Gambians take hospitality to new heights, with generosity woven into the very fabric of their being. Visitors are treated like royalty, proving that in Gambia, kindness is a language everyone speaks fluently. Traditional attire in Gambia is not just clothing, it's a canvas of vibrant colors and intricate designs. Whether it's the flowing bubu or the elegant kaftan, every garment tells a story of heritage and pride. In Gambia, religion is celebrated with fervor and devotion, stitching the community together through shared rituals and festivities. From Ramadan to Christmas, every religious occasion is a testament to Gambia's harmonious multicultural tapestry. The ties that bind family and marriage in Gambia are the threads that weave the social fabric, with traditional ceremonies highlighting the negotiation, celebration, and unity that marriage brings to the community. Music and dance pulse through Gambia's veins, with the chora's melodies and the djembe's rhythms narrating tales of your celebration and life's milestones in moves that captivate and stories that resonate. With the chora's melodies and the djembe's rhythms narrating tales of your celebration and life's milestones in moves that captivate and stories that resonate. Naming ceremonies in Gambia are not just formalities, they are rich rituals filled with prayers and joy, bestowing upon a child a name that carries hopes, dreams, and the legacy of ancestors. The rhythm of agricultural life marks the passage of time in Gambia, with traditions that celebrate the earth's bounty and the communal spirit of planting and harvest. 12. Emergency plan. Before making any decisions, it's also beneficial to connect with expatriates who have made similar moves, or to consult with relocation experts who specialize in the Gambia. They can provide valuable insights, advice, and steps you should take before deciding to move to the Gambia. Make sure you have a plan for emergencies, including understanding the political climate and knowing what to do in case of medical or natural emergencies. So, are you ready for a life of vibrant markets and warm beaches, or just fantasizing about escaping the endless cold, gray, rainy days? Grab a drink and let's dive into whether you're set for a Gambian adventure or just in love with the idea. On your marks, get set, quiz. What's the main reason people are moving to Gambia? Is it A, the promise of unlimited peanut butter? The Gambia is famous for its peanuts, after all. B, to enjoy the sunny climate, beautiful beaches, and welcoming culture? Or C, the hope of becoming a professional crocodile wrestler? Okay, my wonderful sun seekers, the right answer is B, to enjoy the sunny climate, beautiful beaches, and welcoming culture. Question 2. Before moving to Gambia, what should you thoroughly research? Is it A, the secret recipe for every type of Gambian peanut dish? B, visa requirements, housing options, and healthcare services? Or C, how to become a competitive ostrich racer in the local leagues? The correct answer is B, visa requirements, housing options, and healthcare services. Question 3. Which of these is an essential consideration when buying property in Gambia? Is it A, Ensuring the property comes with a personal mango tree for midnight snacks? Is it B, verifying the legal status and ensuring no disputes on the property? Or C, checking if the property is on a ley line to boost your magic power? And the correct answer is B, verifying the legal status and ensuring there are no disputes on the property. And that's a wrap, sunshine seekers. We've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to check out all our videos on property and the Gambia.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time for another insight into the exciting world of property.